I went out to take some photos for my photography project. I'm doing like photos on the town that I live in. So yeah, I did that. And I'm currently in my brother's room saving them and using Photoshop because I don't have Photoshop on my laptop for some random reason. But yeah, so I'm doing that now, and then I have to finish my presentation and send that in because it's due on Wednesday. Like, I have my presentation on Wednesday, but I have to send it in today. So I'm doing that, and I'm also catching up on Clodagh's Vlogmas. So I'm currently on day 5, even though I've already watched, hang on, I've already watched day 7. But now I'm on day 5, and then I have to go back to day 6. But anyway, I'm doing that. Oh, I just turned it off. But if you haven't watched her Vlogmas yet, make sure you do. There is her channel. Come on, focus, focus, focus. It won't focus. Why are you doing this to me? Oh my god. There. Okay, this is the biggest fail of my life. I'll just wait. I'll wait. Don't worry. If you haven't seen her channel yet, then there it is. Make sure you go subscribe. Let's get her to 1,000 subscribers, because I would really like that. So yeah, I'm going to catch up on this, and whilst I watched it, I'm going to start saving all of my photos. So let's do this. I might actually show you what I've been up to. So here's the photos. That's the like contact sheets of them. So yeah, that's what I took today. And now I have to print these in black and white because I'm doing my project in black and white. And I have to choose some of the photos that I will print like as a final big photograph. So yeah, fun times, fun times. I did my college work, and now I'm sitting in my room. I put on a Christmas movie, The Holiday, because it's on Netflix. I have it on DVD, but it's faster if it's on Netflix. So I'm watching that, as you can tell, and I'm gonna start wrapping some presents because I have them like in a bag just there. And yeah, I thought I'd start wrapping them. So yeah, that's my plan for the next couple of minutes. Yeah, I hate the way my glasses like reflect the light. It's so annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna go watch this, wrap some presents, and have a cozy time. So as you can tell, it's the next day, and I'm gonna close my window. I'm in the car because I went to college. I printed a load of things. I printed my photography workbook. Yay! it's like the best day. Oh, I'm sorry. It's the best day of the whole year when you print your final assignments. So that's what's happening. As you can see in the back of my car, I have things that are due and then just random stuff. But yeah, that's my due pile. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to class now because it's 1:10 and I have class at 1:30. So I'm gonna do that. The lighting is terrible once again. And then I'm gonna drive home. So yeah, that's all I've been doing today. I hope you're having a nice day. I got Domino's on a Wednesday. Oh, it's a Tuesday. On a Tuesday. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, come on. Oh. All for me. Oh my god, my cheeks are so red. Why is this so... Oh, here we go. My cheeks are so red for some reason. I think it's because of the heating, and I was sitting downstairs when we had the fire on. So I'm just getting warm. What was I going to say? I got home. I had my presentation today. It went okay. I could have done better, but yeah, I don't know. It was a weird presentation anyway. It went grand. I'm happy enough with it. So yeah, that's that. My auntie and my uncle came over today from Poland, so I just sat downstairs, had some gin and a club lemon. It's really, really nice. I didn't expect it to be that nice, but it's really nice. So I feel like that's going to be my go-to from now on. So yeah, I'm just chilling. Here was my outfit for today. I just wore, I don't know if you can see, I wore this like long sleeve top from Topshop, and then I wore this denim, what's it called, a pinafore dress. I got it for Christmas last year and wore it about twice. So yeah, I thought I'd wear that. I have some tights, and then I obviously didn't have slippers on. I had black boots from Pretty Little Thing, but they're currently in my car, so I can't show you them. So yeah, that was my outfit for the presentation. We kind of had to dress like nicely, but most people came in with like their Vans on or their Converse, and I was like, I should have done that. Why am I always overdressed? So yeah, that's that. I went to college today, as I said, and I also went to New Look, and I picked up one thing because I realized that I don't have any black jeans that are not ripped. So that's exactly what I got. Here are the jeans. They're black. They're kind of a dark grey color, but I really like them. And they're that's the name of them. I'm not sure how to say that, how to pronounce that. But they're the ultra high waist super skinny jeans. And I've never had jeans from New Look before. I usually go for Topshop or River Island. But I tried the black jeans in River Island, and they don't have pockets. They have them like fake pockets, so it looks like it have pockets, but they don't have pockets. And I really don't like jeans without pockets. I feel like even though I don't use them so often, you have to have pockets. So these ones do, as you can see, which is so nice. I tried them on. They're super high-waisted. They're really, really cool. So yeah, I might try them on again. I was in the dressing room and I had to take my tights off. I hate tights. I never wear dresses or skirts with tights. Probably like once a year or something. And today I realized how annoying tights are. They keep falling off every 2 seconds. I have to just keep pulling them up. But yeah, I'm going to try them back on again, just in case, I don't know, I grew in size over the day and I need to return them. I don't know. So I'm just going to try them on. I might show you what they look like. And yeah, I'm also planning on going out on Friday. So I'm getting that ready because on Friday morning I'm going to college to submit my projects. And then I'm staying in errands. So tomorrow I'm going to be packing for that. We're just going for a couple of drinks with my college friends. So that should be fun. For some reason I've been really dying to go out recently. I'm not sure why. I never really go out. I go out maybe twice a year. I don't drink, so yeah. But recently I've just been like, I'm so done. I'm ready to be finished with college for Christmas and then celebrate. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Tomorrow I have a day off because I'm never in on Thursdays, so I'm going to do some college work. And yeah, and then Friday I'm literally going in for 5 minutes, dropping my assignments in, and then I'm out of there. So I'm super excited. I'm literally buzzing. But anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Actually, I'm gonna open my advent calendar because this clip is already 4 minutes 39 seconds. What's the date? It is the 12th. I'm not sure if I opened 11th. Oh, I did. Okay, so 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Where's 12? Oh, here. Yay. Can you juggle 3 snowballs? Probably not. Let's face it. I probably can't. What is this? I think it's a snowman. So that's that. And this one. Hello, number 12. What the? Where is it? Oh, right in the middle. I'm blind. Oh, that smells so nice. Yay. So yeah, that's all I'm going to do today. I'm actually going to go for a shower now. Get into some comfy PJs. And, get into some comfy PJs and yeah, I think that's it. So I'm going to let you go and I'll probably speak to you tomorrow. That's what the jeans look like. So yeah, they're just black, as you can tell. I don't know. There's not much I can say about them. I'd probably wear them with a belt because they're a bit big. See, I tried on the smaller size, but they didn't fit like my legs because my legs are big. So yeah, I tried them on, but they didn't fit my legs, and then they fit my waist. But these ones are a bit too big on my waist, but they're grand on my legs. The struggles are real. So yeah, that's what they look like. I probably just put a belt over them. But yeah, they're super comfy. And well done, new look. I'll be wearing these for sure. Yeah, I think they're really nice. Happy bunny. So it's currently the 20th. Oh, what was that? It's currently the 20th of December. I haven't vlogged in a couple of days because I just didn't feel like doing it. I don't know why. I didn't want to like force myself to pick up the camera, so I didn't. What have I been up to for the last couple of days? I went to town to do some last Christmas shopping, which was good. Very busy though. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. We usually go once a year, like during Christmas, and it was nice. What else did I do? I'm currently watching Sabrina, what's it called? Sabrina the Witch or something like that on Netflix. I'm watching the Christmas episode. So yeah, I'm watching that. I put on some red lipstick because I was feeling festive and I wanted to try them out. I really want to wear some red lipstick this month. So yeah, this one is the NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipstick in the shade Kitten Heels. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see me very well. There you go. I also got my lashes done today. I got them refilled, so that's good. I have all my presents down there. As you can see, they're all wrapped. Just not that one present over there. But yeah, they're mostly wrapped. And I'm happy that that's done. I was in work today and then I was in college just like editing the film that we've been filming. So yeah, that's about it. I might add this clip to the end of the clips that I had already as like week 2 of Vlogmas. I know it's late, but I I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I'm actually going to get my laptop out and edit it right now because it's not edited either. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I maybe will vlog again. I'm not totally sure. I'll try, but I don't think there's anything interesting happening from now until Christmas, so we'll see. So my Pretty Little Thing order just arrived, so I'm going to open it and show you what I bought. I only bought 2 things, but I want to show you them. Also, I got my nails done the other day. Come on, camera, focus. There they are. They're just red, glittery nails, and I like them very much. Right, let's open this. Hi, Tiga. Hello. She hates me. She hates me. Ooh, it's in here. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Thank you to everyone repping PLT this year. Making Christmas happy. Oh, cute. It's a Christmas card from Pretty Little Thing. So what did I get? I actually forgot. What did I get? Oh yeah, I got a bodysuit and then I got a dress. So let's see. So the bodysuit is black. Oh, pretty. Oh, I think this is going to be too small. That's what it looks like. It's a bodysuit that I can wear it with jeans and skirts. That's what it looks like. It's just lacy. But it might be too small. So we'll see about that. And then the dress. It's leopard print. Oh, I did not expect it to be this fabric. Wow, that's weird. It's like a t-shirt. Oh, that's kind of pretty. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure if you can see, but it has like ruffles at the end. I might try them on and see how I get on with those.